Today we're going to talk about accelerating your trading skills. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Beautiful sunny day along the coast in Perth. Spring has arrived. We're not completely out of the winter yet. We had a couple of cold, rainy days this week, but definitely back into the beach mode. So today we're going to talk about accelerating our trading skills. And one of the exercises that I do each week is I will have my basket, my normal, I follow the major pairs and a few, about 10 in total. But one of the other things I do is I also follow a few other pairs, and I want to, I look for 3 basic patterns essentially that occur at least on every pair. One of those signals will show up at a minimum once on every pair every month. Now some of you might not understand that offers me quite a few signals, but also that there's often more than one really valid signal that fits my trading plan. But these are trades that I have a limited downside and 3, 4, 5, sometimes greater return on my trade. So I've learned through trial and error, going bar by bar, studying these patterns, making a lot of mistakes. I talked about blowing up trading accounts and day trading and everything else. And even now I still study the hourly charts, and I see trades that are great trade setups, but I've trained myself to stay off of the charts, the hourly charts for trading. The reason why that is mainly is because obviously it requires more screen time, but as I said, I shifted my trading to end of day. The opportunities on end of day are much greater, and I have less likelihood of doing damage to my trading account. One of the reasons I suggest you go bar by bar and start drawing your trend lines, your support and resistance levels, looking for these patterns. They show up every month on most pairs, whether it's a rectangle, a trend line break with a pullback, the opening range. I talk about the importance of understanding the opening range, the first 2 days of the week or the first day of the week and the first couple trading days of the month. If you haven't studied Stottlemyre and Dalton's book Market Profile, I encourage you to do so and study the opening range and the initial balance. It is a very powerful thing to understand pullbacks in a strong trend, especially for end of day, but also for understanding even if you're day trading, understanding where your buy and sell levels may be established for the week. But that came through learning, through arduous study, just going bar by bar. So my point was that have a couple of pairs where you purely just study the bars each day, take notes, look for certain things, look for certain opportunities. There's always one day of the week where the market will set up and then move. So often if the trade is a breakout, unless it's a strong market, often that breakout will be the trap. If it's a pullback, often that breakout will be the trap. And that's where your initial balance understanding comes in. But you have to, in order to accelerate your learning, you need to be pushing the boundaries. You need to be, like, one of the things I love about end of day is I can do 10 trades every morning just in review on different pairs. I'll go to commodities, currencies. I apply the same rules because that all shows up. The patterns that I trade show up in every single market. But the only way you're going to get better is obviously over time. But if you can accelerate time and simulate real life conditions in terms of your stop placements, your position sizing, your entry, your limit orders, all those sorts of things, the greater the possibility you're going to speed up your learning, the greater the possibility you're going to improve, and hopefully the greater the possibility you're going to speed up your results and your profitability. So if you haven't done so, go to my homepage, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. Use it as a blueprint for your own high performance routine. Push the boundaries. If you're serious about trading, it will require everything that you've got to give into this. Trading mastery is a lifelong journey. And my mantra is trade smart, trade better, trade bigger, and live the dream. And in order for you to do that, you have to really be dedicated to this. Not so much at the cost of everything else, but in the understanding that maximum market adversity, the pain of trading will challenge you, and you need to bulletproof your mindset. You need to accelerate your learning. You need to set goals each week to get better and improve your skills. You need to have a vision of the trader you want to become. You need to be journaling those trades, and you need to be moving in a direction of constant progress. So Hopefully you got some value out of today's video, traders. Get down, enjoy the beach, get some sunshine, get some stress relief, keep exercising, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.